Sunday and welcome to today. We are going to discover a very beautiful place on this mountain. Here we are here in Yaounde, and the name of this place I can just say is Akokutang. Behind we have Kolbison behind, and we have Meulu, Vokbeti, and Etukebe Sand. So we've decided to, for our very first time, come to this mountain and have a view because we've realized that lots of people are living up here, and for more than 7 years now. That's what I heard. That's what the information reaches us say, that people have been living up here for more than 7 years today, and we've decided to come and check, to come and see for ourselves and see how the place really looks like. And it's obvious that most of the people living up here, they are what we call pastors and prophets. So let's go. Let's explore the area. From here we can view I think half of Yaounde, but just that the weather today is not that good because of the dull clouds that are out. You know, in the dry season the weather is not usually that bright. So if we have to zoom it, you guys will not see it very well, but it has a very nice view. I mean, you will love it once you come here. But coming up here was not that easy. It took us about 30 minutes to lift right down. I mean, to the base, from the base of the hill to this top. 30 minutes climbing. So it was not that easy. Just imagine. As you can see, look at Colbison. And this forest here, it shows that there is cultivation ongoing here. Because you can see plantains, you can see raffia nuts, and you can see a whole lot of farms that have been worked up here, and people are living. These are people living up here. I mean, guys, you will love it. This place is just so adorable. It's adorable. And over time, a lot of people are going to get interested in coming up here to, explore, or maybe just to visit, or maybe to have a little bit of fun. So let's see. Over here, I am made of full God will. So that this place is a very holy ground, guys. It's not a place you can come up here to come and create chaos or just disrupt anything. It's a holy ground. I am made full of God will. Okay? And the place is also good. It's also adorable. And these whole places are usually very peaceful places. Good morning. Morning. And the breeze. I mean, just you can imagine. Morning. You can see, this is even more than what I expected because we never expected lots of houses. It seems like this should be a church or something. Let's see. Wow. This is amazing. This is amazing. The year of the street. Good morning. Yes. Very clean. Very clean. And so adorable. And from the view of things, it shows that there's potable water somewhere around here. The water they're drinking here is very, very clean, and it's very, it's good pure water. Compared to what others are even drinking in other parts of Yaounde, this water here is very good. And these people here are very peaceful. They are very welcome. So, and people have been living here for more than 7 years plus. Okay. So you can't imagine the type of comfort they are getting from this place. These are houses. Maybe people are on vacation, holidays, so on and so forth. Yeah.
You can even see cocoa trees down there.
Yeah.
Out.
I mean, there's everything inside this forest. Everything inside this forest. Any type of plant you want to see inside this forest, you can find it. I mean, I still have to take some time and get into the forest and see how it's being things are growing up there.